Sir, in the last video we covered the basic introduction about supplier. Sir, supplier contain a single abstract method. What is that abstract method? Get method. Get method. Supplier get method won't take any argument, but it's always going to return something. But it's always going to return some value. Return value is their supplier concept. Now, how you can use this supplier with the multiple examples I will explain. The first example, sir. So write a supplier. Write a supplier to supply system date. Are you getting? To supply system date. So I want to write a supplier to supply system date. If you require system date, immediately the supplier is going to provide, current system date is so and so, like that, right? How you can able to write? Very simple. Supplier. Okay, this supplier, which type of object it is going to return? Because supplier is always going to take only one type parameter. That type parameter is always what? Return type. So which types are? It is always going to return date type. Supplier of date S is equal to, sir, supplier get a method won't take any argument. That's why, sir, just no arg. Lambda expression. This is the get method implementation. What I require to return, sir, just return new date. That's all. Are you getting? Now, sir, this supplier is the responsible to return date object. This date object is going to represent current system date and time. Sir, how I can call this one? Very simple. System.out.println. Okay. Yes dot get. Yes dot get. If you can ask the supplier, get method. This supplier get method always going to return this new date. Now you can able to see what is the current system date and the time. By default you can get. Sir, you can ask any number of times. Yes dot get. You can ask any number of times, no problem at all. It is always going to return current system date. Is it clear for all of you, right? How to create supplier to return current system date, to supply current system date. This is the code, right? Sir, let me execute this code. Observe carefully. Observe a bit very carefully, sir. Import java.util.function.supplier. Okay. Import java.util.date. Sir, supplier of date. Yes, sir. It is the get method implementation. Get method won't take any argument, right? Get method, but it's always going to return some date object. Yes, sir. Dot get. Are you getting? Yes, sir. Dot get. Like this I'm taking, sir. Now have a look once. Then automatically, do you know Saturday, August 11, Saturday, August 11, so just 11, 17, 36, like by default we are going to get. This is the date, current system date what we are going to get. So once you got supplier, you can ask any number of times, right? Yes dot get, and so on. No problem. Perfectly it is going to work. S dot get, like every time it's going to provide. System date. Is it clear for all of you, right? Sir, any explanation is required? So write a supplier, okay, to supply system date. This is the example what you should aware.